The target for us in this JAMB exam is for you to score at least 300 in your JAMB, for you to make 300 and above in this JAMB exam. And to do that is possible, but there is a secret. Many of you don't know that the subject you start your exam with has a way of impacting you. The subject you start your JAMB exam with has a way of influencing whether you score high or not. It is a difference between those that will score, let's say, 288 and those that will score 322. Show you this secret right away. Some of you keep asking, should I start with use of English? Should I start with physics? Should I start with you don't know the one to start use of English? Should I start with chemistry, physics? Is it biology? Is it economics and all the rest? I'm going to give you the secret that when you apply, you can be sure that you increase your chances of scoring very, very high in this exam. And that secret is simple. The secret is for you. Once you enter the exam hall, you have 4 subjects to write. Once they're on your system, the 4 subjects will be on the screen. You are the one that will choose the one you will start with. JAMB gives you that liberty to start. You must not start with chemistry. You must not start with use of English, right? And the one I encourage you to start with is the easiest subject. Start with the subject that you have much more strength in. You know, in your 4 subjects, you yourself know that there is a subject among 4 of them. There is one of them that you know much more than the others. There's one of them that you can tell, oh, I can beat myself and say, if they give me 100 questions, I can answer 80 correctly. So I encourage you to start with that one. That is the secret. Start with your subject of strength. Start with that subject that you know you can hit hard immediately and score high. The reason is that there is something called exam fatigue, right? If you start with a difficult subject, let's assume you are writing physics, chemistry, maths, and biology, and you know that maths is very tough for you. Maths is your difficult subject, and you go and start with your maths. You can see that you are scamming yourself. You can see that by the time you answer the 40 questions in mathematics and you are able to answer, maybe you meet very difficult, you answer the first question, it is very difficult, answer the second one. By the time you answer all of maths, your brain will be fatigued. It will be difficult for you. Your brain will feel so fatigued. But when you start, maybe you know, let's say biology is your good subject, you are very strong in biology, and you come with full speed and answer your biology, and your brain notices that you are answering it very well. It will now be strong enough, right? It will be motivated to go and smash another subject. So I encourage you, once you enter your exam hall, start with those subjects that you are baba in, your subject of strength. Focus your attention. Don't even make any mistake of starting. If it is use of English, okay, that we are strong in, start with use of English. If it is your weakest subject, go and start with that one. I mean, put that one to the last. I want you to get maximum point in your strong subject. Get the maximum point in your subject of strength. Hammer that subject, go to that subject, smash it immediately. Get the maximum point in it, go to the next one following it until you are done. By the time your time is now finishing, you can now focus on the remaining one subject. I hope you get the secret. If you don't understand, ask me in the comment section. If you want me to give you all the videos we've done on physics, chemistry, biology, economics, government, and others, you want me to give you access to the videos we've done that will help you to prepare harder, let me know, and I could give it to you. That is if you subscribe and join our YouTube channel. Also, if you are still in need of free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllabus that have been given free of charge, if you need it, let me know. But that is if you're a member of our channel. How do you become a member? You become a member when you join. Click on join. Just click on join and join our YouTube channel. Join is different from subscribing. When you join, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, share this video. Ensure you share this video immediately like this video, then comment under this video and tell me that you have joined or that you have subscribed. Also tell me the exam date, which day the JAMB put for you. Tell me the date and time you'll be writing your exam. I am waiting for you in the comment section.